I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2019 Dodge Challenger key fob full guide. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. Have all fobs and the master key ready. Locate the valet switch or OBD port as required and keep a pen light handy. This guide stays simple and hands-on so you can complete programming without dealership tools or guesswork. Begin by inserting the master key and cycle ignition on then off 3 times ending on, then remove key. Listen for a chime and lock cycles as confirmation. Press and hold the unlock button on the driver door while pressing the fob's lock and unlock buttons in sequence as shown. Each successful fob will be recognized by a lock cycle, so repeat for every additional key fob you need to program. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated, and its leak-proof design keeps your console dry while you handle key fobs. It's small enough for cup holders and easy to clean. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After programming, test each fob from several feet away for lock and unlock functions and any remote start features. If a fob does not respond, swap in a fresh battery and rerun the programming steps before assuming a hardware fault. Persistent issues can stem from low vehicle battery or a defective fob module, so check vehicle voltage and seek a locksmith or dealer diagnostic if needed to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.